Meta is going through a direction that's gonna automate everything. And what is gonna be needed? It's creatives. And creatives is the thing that we need most right now. What is the problem? The costs. AdRoast is here to bridge this gap. With a fraction of the cost that you're gonna have by using an agency, you're gonna be able to have a lot of images and a lot of videos AI generated. How does it work? Either you're gonna put your product URL, you're gonna put an image, or you're just gonna describe what you wanna do. You're gonna select the preset that you like, or you're just gonna do it without the preset, and it's gonna generate 3 concepts for you. It's gonna roast each one of the concepts, and it's gonna give you a specific grade for each one of them. After that, you can actually choose to improve further. Same with the videos, you're gonna pick any preset that you want, and then it's gonna generate a video for you. What you're winning with AdRoast, you know, because we roast the ads before you even test them, if they have good chances to work or not, and you can improve them further. You can improve them further with AI edits or normal edits. And of course, the most important thing of all, you can use presets if you don't know how to do prompting. So, happy creating with AdRoast, and I will hope to see you inside. Hi guys, today we're gonna see local business niche, car detailing. It's really famous. And a lot of people have car detailing businesses because a lot of people have cars. What I did is that I googled car detailing Nebraska, okay, out of nowhere. And I just click in this one. As you can see, like most of the local businesses, pretty basic. Creatives, nothing much. Let's see, detail add-ons, you see, just text. Okay, we have a before and after here. You know, nothing much over here, okay? Obviously, maybe they have a lot of images and stuff, but we will see what we can produce. Let's say that they want to push something from these services. Let's say, from my experience, a lot of times they like to push either the full interior detail or not the full interior detail or the ceramic coating. Let's go to the ceramic coating because I know that a lot of times this is what they want to push. So this is the one we're gonna take as a URL. So we have the ceramic coating. It's needless to say that we can take any of the services. I wouldn't take the home one unless if I have to. Now I have put a feature over here. It says describe it. For people that they don't even have a website, they just want to have leads and they have just a Facebook page and anything, you can just come here, you can describe what you're having and it's gonna produce for you creatives. Now, since we have a store and we have a URL, for this one, we're gonna fetch details. I don't know what kind of things it's gonna be able to fetch since we don't have a lot of things. Okay, we do have some images and stuff here. These ones we don't need. Let's pick all of them just for the sake of this one, and let's see what's gonna produce. Okay, since we have the ceramic coating over here, I'm guessing we will go for something which is gonna look more cleaner. Remember again, the whole thing with the presets is just about the colors, the aesthetics, the let's go on sport for example, the different styles, the feel and all of that. Muscle car fog night for example, okay? So maybe we can go with this one. It's on the fog, it has rain. Maybe this is one that we can use. Let's try this one and let's see what kind of results we're gonna get. So let's generate 3 concepts. Okay, so we have our generations over here. Let's see what we had over here. So we had this image that I think it used a little bit of that. And then we have these. It says here, ceramic coating offered for this brand, which I don't know. I guess this is not the business brand, but for sure it says that it's using that. We're gonna do also a variation that we're not gonna use these products in case that they don't want to advertise with them. I will show you the way. So over here we are having this kind of result, this kind of result. Perfect. The moment size unbelievable. I do like those. To be honest with you, I cannot think of anything that we can improve over here. Maybe put 5-star reviews and stuff, but these are things that we have done many times. You can press improve further and you can do the social thing over here and improve it further, put 5-star reviews, whatever. You can come here also on the AI edit, for example, and you can replace object, replace the car with a Tesla Cybertruck. Let's see what's gonna do. Yeah, this is a Tesla Cybertruck, and now let's make it do something crazy. Change background, add neon lights, and add neon light sign on the background saying auto spa. Okay, saying auto spa. Let's do that. As you can see, I did it, and now let's do something crazy like I don't know, if put Elon Musk was in the car. So we came from this, we said to change to Cybertruck, okay? And then we asked it to add a neon sign on the background, even gave here the reflection and all of that. With AI, and then I said just put the guy who's washing the car to be Elon Musk, and it actually adds Elon Musk. So everything well here, we can do the AI edit, we can have our creatives. Now, let's say that we don't want to focus on these, but we just want to focus on the service, okay? The ideal way of doing that, it would be generate ads, go to images, and go to describe it, okay? So here we're going to put this one as so that you can understand. And we will do this. I want creatives for selling my service of ceramic coating in Nebraska. We can decide if we want to give it a little bit of more info or just say do whatever you want. Let's say this. I'm specializing in supercars, so I want all the ads to feature supercars, whatever you can imagine, okay? Enhance with AI, it's always important because we know that we need this so that we can have better prompts for what we are asking over here. It's for your safety. Let's press continue. And this time, let's choose another preset. Let's go to fashion maybe, and let's go ceramic coating. Yeah, let's go to New York style maybe. This is night, straight shots, motion, energy, and all that. Okay, so let's use this look. I like it, and let's go. No images, nothing. We just gave it a prompt and just the URL that we have. Over here, we're having this on the background. You can see it has also this nice sign. We have this, which I don't like. I don't like Aston Martins also. And we have this one, which I really like also. Now, here you can improve. You can put more text. You can put the things that you want. You could have put it earlier, more texts, saying that I want you to focus on this and this and this. I'm not a car detailer to know what to write and all of that, but you get the idea. For example, over here, if you don't like it, you can come and you can just do this, replace the car with a Lambo. And maybe we can do it with a green Lambo. Urus. Okay, we have this one, okay? Okay, so in the text, we don't like the text, so let's say that write a smaller, better text, mention Nebraska and ceramic coating. Okay, we have this one. I don't like the font. Let's do this one. Keep the same text, but give the font more depth. Make the letters thicker. Let's see if it's gonna understand it. Okay, it did put some depth to it. Yeah. Okay, now let's try this. Let's do this one. Remove the letter X from the first word. Which is the word expert. Okay, you can see that it has done the change from expert to expert, but I want to try something. So this is my prompting being wrong, okay? So if I do it like this, I'm gonna do remove the letter X from the first word and leave as a gap. Okay, let's see if it's gonna do it. Okay, so it changed the whole image, but it did actually a better job over here. What I'm trying to prove with all of that is that you can do anything that you want. If you don't like something, you can go back one step. This one, obviously, you can put again the X over here with the edit and stuff, whatever. You have your initial images that you can create. Then you can do roasting and improve further. Then you can come to AI edit and do further work, then you can roast them again. You're having all of these options for instead of you just producing content which is gonna be super expensive. Here it's actually super cheap. That's the way that it's actually working. You can change the cars here, you can do whatever you want. You can change the services, you can change only the text because you have seen that an image, for example, is working and you can replace it with another. So these are the generations. You have seen how you can create from nothing content, like just writing what you want to do, and then with our AI enhance button you can have the right prompt for it. You can have a landing page that we can take from there, the concept or what you want to do, and then you can have the AI edit that you can do more and more stuff. It's needless to say that you can do also videos based on that, but we're gonna do videos in the next. On these videos I want to explain more about images. This is another local business, car detailing. So many people have car detailing businesses. Let me know in the comments if you want to see any other business and see how it's gonna work with another business. Don't forget that you can watch also this video, that it's featuring a completely different niche and completely different creatives. I will see you on the next one.